What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm just kind of doing a short video vlog on my new action camera. This is the DJI Action 4. Now, I just got this a couple of days ago and haven't really had a chance to do any type of vlogs or anything with it because living in Alaska, which is where I live, it has been bitterly cold for the last week. It's been like -10, -15, -20, -8 degrees. So it's kind of hard to do that type of a vlog in open just exposure, with the fact that it gets super cold and your hands tend to freeze really quick. So this is the only time I actually can do it right now because it's starting to get a little bit warmer and I have it with me. I just got off of work and just wanted to kind of test it out. So right now I'm shooting at 4K at 25 with Rocksteady on, which is basically just their version of Steady Shot, or just kind of like a gimbal-like. It's basically just a gimbal-like. It's just, how should I put this? It's basically just making sure that your footage is stable and not shaky. Everything is in automatic right now. I do not have anything kind of changed. I don't have like the auto exposure or anything in manual. I'm just trying it out right now in automatic, so just so I can get a feel for it. Now I know that there's been a lot of videos out there on how you can get the best video settings for this, and I will be watching a few of those so I can see what works for me. But like I said, everything right now is in automatic. So what does the video look like? Does it look clear? I do have an Insta360 Go 3 as well. How's the audio quality on this? Does the video look fine? How's it looking? Now again, like I said, I've had this for a couple of days. Haven't had a chance to try anything with it yet, but I am looking forward to doing a lot more with it. And I'll talk later on in another video as to why I am switching from the Insta360 to the DJI. Normally I'd like to have like two action cameras, but I'm kind of not really need that anymore. I don't really need to do that anymore, as I've done in the past in past videos. But this seems like it's going to be my permanent action camera, as this thing does a lot more than what my Insta360 does. And I know I made a few videos on the Insta360 Go 3, which is my other action camera. Now that is a good action camera. I'm not knocking the Insta360, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with the Insta360. Action cameras are going to be different for everybody in terms of what they can and can't do. But I wanted to see what the hype was about the Osmo Action 4 and why everyone seemed to like this over the GoPros and over the new Insta360, the Ace and the Ace Pro, and just kind of get a feel for myself. Now I did buy a new mount for the Osmo Action 4, so I'll be dropping an unboxing of that and showing how that works. As there's something wrong with the case that comes with it, but I want something a little bit better because I do have a new set of wireless mics that I'm going to be using, and I don't want to buy the DJI ones because I'm using something different and I like that brand versus the DJI. So I will be testing the audio quality on that as well with this. So what does the audio quality sound on this right now? It's in stereo. So, but I can see from just looking through the front screen that this looks really good. Now, living in Alaska during the winter times with the sun out, when it comes to auto white balancing and all of that, it is kind of hard to do that in the snow because the snow is glaring. It's like looking at the sun or the highlights in the sky and it's just blown out. It's the same thing as what you would get with snow. So that's why I don't have anything in manual or anything else like that, nor do I have any ND filters for this yet, but I will be getting some of those also. So stay tuned for that video when I drop that. Otherwise, it's just an initial first vlog on the Action 4. So let me know what you think about it. I'll leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy your week. And yes, I do live in Alaska. It is cold right now, but it's about 14 degrees, so it's much better than it was yesterday, which was negative like 18, and then before -7. So it's been kind of cold, but other than that, catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy your week.